Hello everyone and welcome to Deano Outdoors. Today we're going to take a look at this two-person camping pad from SIHANM. This camping pad features a built-in foot pump to inflate it, making it the perfect solution for those of you who like to backpack into your camping spots. So let's take a look at it. Alright, here's how your air pad will arrive. Let's get this out of the plastic package. Take a look at it. Comes inside of a carrying case, storage case, with a drawstring on the top. And you're going to want to roll it up the same way that you see it right now. So try to remember how you unrolled it, because when you're finished, if you roll it up the same way that it comes here, you should have no problem getting it back in the storage bag. Let's go ahead and lay this out, get it inflated and test it out. Once you have it laid out, first thing you want to do is find the two valves by the pillow side. Close those up. That's how the air is going to be released later. This pad is inflated by compressing on this section back here by your foot. Leave this valve open. It has a foam built into it. You can either use your hand or use your foot. And keep compressing it until your air pad is fully inflated. You can see the pad is starting to take form already. Keep working, it'll take a few minutes to fully inflate this. That's pretty good. Give her just a couple more. And you can tell when it's almost fully inflated, you can feel the resistance on the foot press. And that's when you want to stop. Then close up the valve. And your air mattress is ready to be used. This camping pad measures 78.5 by 48.5 inches wide by just under 2.5 inches thick. It is constructed of heavy-duty ripstop 40D nylon with an internal TPU seal coating for durability. This mattress can support up to 660 pounds and weighs only 3.3 pounds. This pad is designed for two to sleep comfortably with built-in pillows, and can be used anywhere you want to take it with its built-in foot pump. This mattress is made for the backpacker, for tenters, or just laying in your backyard enjoying the weather. It also fits perfectly in the back of your truck bed for those of you who have truck bed tents, or if you just enjoy laying in the back of your truck staring at the stars at night. This mattress pad can also be used for family time or for any of your guests when they need a place to sleep. When you're finished using your camping pad, to deflate it, locate the two valves on the back of the pillow. Open them up. There's a double valve, be one on each side. Begin by folding your mattress a quarter of the way in. Do that on both sides. And fold it in again. Same thing with the other side. Next, begin rolling your mattress pad up. and then place it inside the supplied storage bag. Pull the drawstring tight, and you're ready for your next camping adventure. This mattress pad is compact, lightweight, and comes in its own storage case. It's the perfect mattress pad for all you outdoors enthusiasts. Whether you're tent camping or backpacking, it'll fit anyone's needs. The mattress pad also includes the instructions as well as several patches in case you were to puncture your mattress while you're outdoors camping. It also comes in 3 different colors as well. If you guys want to check out this mattress pad, I'll have a link down in the description below. If you're new to my channel, please consider subscribing. And if you found this video helpful, please give it a like. As always, thanks for watching, and remember to get outdoors with Deano.